Now, I'm a pretty organized guy, that's true, but a lot of guys, they like making a mess with their vehicles, going out and getting them muddy and having fun. And if you want to do that, these are the guys to talk to. Expedition Superstore. This is Eric Simmons. He is actually the guy who would be doing it for you. You're the lead tech here, right?
That's me.
So when people come in and say, okay, I want to trick out my vehicle, you're the guy they talk to. But you could do different layers and levels of stuff. For instance, what are you doing with this vehicle?
Absolutely. This one is here for suspension today. We're going to lift it up so he can accommodate some bigger tires and start looking for some other accessories to
do
go
a little bit of four-wheel and in between.
Yeah.
And then, how about that one?
This is one we finished up yesterday. We did suspension on this yesterday. In the past, we've done the canopy, the tent, the awning. All of those things are things we can take care of for you guys.
So this seems to be a pretty, like, a lot of people have Tacomas, reasonable trucks.
Yep.
But you can make a really cool thing out of it. But so you gotta do the suspension first to just support the weight.
We did the suspension last on this one because he just wanted a little better ride and to be able to take those trails a little better.
Yeah, get a little higher off the ground. But if you got a bigger truck, bigger pocketbook, bigger dreams, holy cow, look at this.
That's right.
And not necessarily just
you.
this, but you could take some ideas from this and really trick out anyone's vehicle, right?
Absolutely. So this one's got
monster.
a four-wheel camper on it that's built to go on a flatbed. It's sitting on a Bowen flatbed. 40-inch tires on this thing.
Check this out.
She's a big truck.
Look at this. Wouldn't you love to have a thing like this? I know I would. What's that like? Pretty cool. And so people just contact you and say, look, I've got this kind of vehicle. What can you do?
Absolutely.
You throw some ideas out and go for it?
Come down and talk to us, and we'll get it figured out with the way you want it built.
Yeah, check it out at the Expedition Superstore, of course. What's your website?
www.expeditionsuperstore.com.
There you go. Come on in and check out these vehicles, too. Get some ideas, and then hit Eric with the ideas and see what happens.
That's a zombie apocalypse vehicle right there.
Oh, yeah, you're ready.
You are ready for all the zombies.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you will survive the apocalypse in this vehicle, for sure.
Oh, that's hopeful.
Hopeful. That's